Hello there, welcome to Scrum Positive. Please subscribe to the channel. We are going over the values, agile values, and today the third value is customer collaboration over contract negotiation. We know what contracts are. Whenever we talk about contracts, it says that, okay, right, I'm going to deliver something and you're going to pay me for what I'm delivering. So that's the contract. So if I am on the customer side, the contract means that I'm going to pay you this money and you're going to give me the service or a product. We negotiate a lot during contracts. The customer wants to get the product or service at the best rate. I don't want to say cheapest, the best rate, the best value. And for the company which is selling the service or product, they want to get the best price for it. I don't want to say that they want to give lesser value than the price they receive, but they want to get the best price. And this whole thing, there's a big industry that talks about how pricing should be and what should be the right and perfect price and everything. In that whole process, if we miss collaborating with the customer, making the customer a partner of yours in your journey, then we miss something. So Agile asks us to do customer collaborations over contract negotiation. That does not mean that there shouldn't be any contracts. That does not mean that you shouldn't negotiate contracts. But by negotiating the best contract for you doesn't mean you would have a good customer relationship. Negotiating the best contract from a customer's point doesn't mean you will get the best value for the product or service that you're buying. So that idea of customer collaboration is so important. Finding yourself in the customer's shoes, feeling and understanding the value of the product and service that you're providing. Doing that customer journey yourself. That's a very interesting field to be in as well. So it's important that we spend more time in collaborating with customers, because if you collaborate with the customers, if you have a great customer relationship, the negotiation, the contracts are going to be much more easier. If you don't have that, you can, just by thinking, having a contract negotiation with a customer with whom you don't have a good relationship is going to be a nightmare. And that's how it is. So you need to build this relationship, have this collaboration, spend time and effort in having and building those collaborations with the customer, so that every time you have any contracts and contract negotiations, it happens very fast. You can see that in the industry. There are companies which renew the contracts on and on and on and on, because the customer feels that they've been taken care of. The contract is not something that they have to renegotiate. They don't. And at the moment they feel that they're not getting the value, they're not being collaborated, they're not part of this entire process, they will want to negotiate the contract, because that's one thing that they know they have a control over. So I think that whole concept about customer collaboration over contract negotiation, contacts instead of contracts, not instead. Don't use the word instead, because it's over. Because you need contracts. You can't do without contracts. You guys take care. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.